Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, obviously I've cleared the fault anyway, but this is it. This is what you see on the screen. It's to do with the mass airflow sensor, should we say, the engine control module section. So if you're getting this fault code and you're getting the engine management light, the car's in limp mode, maybe smoking, maybe not, but you are definitely going to get into limp mode, or sometimes it's intermittent. Right, so what we would recommend, there are certain checks that we would say do before ordering parts. Now, this is to do with air, okay? And the air starts from here, from the air filter box. You have to track and trace if you ask me, okay? But I would recommend, a common fault on them is this sensor here, but don't be fooled, sometimes it's not. Check to see if these are all plugged in, connected good, there is no cracks. Clean this also as well. Take it out, it's very easy. You take it out, clean the inside, and pop it back on. Obviously not with water, there's certain spray cans that you can use. And then what I would recommend as well, if you're having the same issue still, is do a smoke test. Now if you're going to do a smoke test, make sure obviously the engine's not running, pop it in, pop the smoke in, and check to see if there's any leak within the intercooler, the piping. Check if there is any leak. If there is, obviously it makes sense, so that's not going to be faulty, it's the piping. It is a hit and miss. It's a trial and error, this game. It could cost you £1 or it could cost you thousands, really, if you ask me. It is a ball ache. If that's still doing it, check the turbo, see if there's any play in the turbo. Check the pipe in the wastegate, because this can also cause it. But I don't know what to say, really, guys. It is one of the probably most headache fault codes you can ever come across. I mean, I'm sure there's other fault codes. I'm sure stripping engine is worse, but in this case, it's bad for the customer, maybe good for the mechanic, because it's bad for both sides. It makes the mechanic look bad as well, thinking it is this when it isn't, and you just keep moving on, spending. But that's what I would do, guys, in this case, and see how it goes.